we're really pushing the bounds of the technologies and that, working with those charge point operators to try and make the method for charging the car as seamless as possible. We've got some of our products here to show the future engineers, as it were, how this stuff works. So it's a really good intro into that.
Round 15 of the ABB Formula E World Championship is underway. Good start then from Nick Cassidy. He chops the nose off as Sebastian Wavy tries to go around the outside of Dennis. But Jake Dennis comes across the line and he becomes the ABB Formula E World Champion of Season 9 here in London. What a drive from Jake Dennis.
What we're doing is we're trying to encourage young females, young girls into the roles that we have available within EBB that might be different to something that they're not used to or advertised to them. So we're trying to encourage them from our perspective, what is involved with these roles and what they can expect.
Knowing that there is a platform like this that's being created especially for girls, for young women, will show them that this industry is absolutely trying to promote women into this space.
We go green flag racing as round 16 of the ABB Formula E World Championship in London is underway with Cassidy leading the field down to lap, and he comes around the final corner to